Today I have a very interesting subject. First of all, a huge thanks to everyone that's been participating in this competition, not only the rating of the images, but the uploading images. You guys are fantastic. I'm like blown away by the quality of images that I've been getting. So thank you very much to everyone that's been participating in these competitions. You guys are killing it. You guys are awesome. Also, a huge thanks to Newer for all of the prizes for this competition because they are just awesome. Without Newer, I wouldn't have anything to give. So thank you so much for being so generous. My name is Charles Wollertz. This is Wollertz Photography. Welcome to the third monthly Wollertz Photography competition of 2025. Here we talk about all things photography, but usually with a little bit of stock photography in mind because I think it's a great way to learn and practice, which leads us to this competition. Welcome to another photography competition. It's March, the third one of the year already. Wow, this is flying by. There's always rules and I have to put the rules down on my website. Rules are always changing. Every month they're gonna be a little bit different because as we go, we learn. I've learned a lot over the last two competitions, so we're gonna keep evolving as things happen. I'm still gonna allow 3 photos per person, up to 200 or 500 submissions. So that gives us odds of 166.7 or something like that per person. And let me interrupt this video here real quick because I have new updates and new rules that are coming to like every month. We learn new things and we change and we adapt. So the first thing that's gonna happen is that now you're gonna have 2 weeks to make those photographs. Instead of 1 week, we're gonna have 2 weeks and the voting is gonna extend another week, or the rating is gonna be extended another week. Again, we're limited to 500 images, so the faster you can get those images out there, the more you're gonna guarantee a spot. Even though you have 2 weeks, if we fill up the website before then that's gonna happen. I'm also gonna delete the images that are not relevant. If we're getting close to the limit and there's images that don't qualify, I am going to delete them. The other thing that's changing again is the shipping locations via Newer. There's a lot of things happening worldwide and shipping is changing a little bit. And I also noticed in feedback that a lot of people don't want to participate because they're outside of the shipping area. If you win and you're outside of the shipping, I'm gonna give you a portfolio review. Unfortunately, it's not the same as free gear, but it's all I can do right now is giving you a portfolio review or something to help you and guide you through your photography career, whether it's stock photography or general photography. It's something that I can do, and it's the shipping thing is out of my hands. So it's an option. So anyway, I encourage everybody to participate. This is just gonna give you a little bit extra, something else for those that are outside of the shipping areas. Again, please check all the rules and regulations on the page. It's a little bit more specific there. But anyway, let's go back to the video. Now, as far as AI, I think I talked about it last month. There's a quote that I wanna remember. I want AI to do my laundry and dishes so I have time to do photos and write. I don't want AI to do my photos and writing so that I have time to do dishes and laundry. The quote went something like that, whatever, you get the point. So this is a photography competition, only real photographs, and if you win, I'm gonna be asking for the raw photo to confirm that it was a real photograph. All right, now again, the prices here are by Newer, and what do we have left? We already gave away the Z2 flash, the PL60C panel light, which is this one I have right back here. Beautiful light for photo and video. Now we have available the Q200 outdoor strobe. Beautiful, powerful strobe. The F700 HD touchscreen monitor. Awesome. It's on top of my camera, it's game changer. I never had one before and this thing is just game changer. Then we have the LT38 61-inch tripod. It's a beautiful tripod, carbon fiber, supports my camera and more. With the monitor on top, so it's a great tripod. And we have the HB80C, which is a portable cob light, COB light. Awesome, it's battery powered, compact, you can take it anywhere, super powerful. I've actually used it to make some of these photographs here. I pretended it was the sun and it turned out pretty well. Now, what is the subject for this month? Remember that the subjects are based on my stock photography calendar, things that I know will sell because every time I make photos using this, they sell. So the subject for this month, hear me out, this is gonna be interesting. That's last month here. Subject for this month is Go Barefoot Day. Now, there's gonna be some rules here because we don't wanna get creepy. We don't want any kind of weird stuff with feet. This is the idea of Go Barefoot Day is designed to get people thinking about people that don't have shoes. So we all go barefoot for a day. That happens in June 1st, I believe it is. And we walk barefoot just to kind of, anyway. Now, there's multiple uses. This is one side of that commercial item. There's also the grounding aspect of this. Recharging your body, mental clarity. There's a whole bunch of health benefits associated with walking barefoot, just similar to forest bathing. So there's a lot of different ways that we could use this. It could be relaxing at home in a shaggy carpet. It could be out in the woods, barefoot. I don't know why, but I did it. It could be walking on the beach barefoot. So Barefoot Day. Go Barefoot Day. How can you put all these concepts into a photo? That's your task. I don't want any kind of kinky anything with feet or nothing weird. Remember, there's community guidelines, so try to stick to the subject or you're gonna get deleted. All these competitions are designed to make you make photos that are gonna sell. So upload all these photos to the stock agencies. Get as many photos as you can and submit to the contest the best 3. Now, I also want you to come back and rate all the images. All of them. Just go down and see what you think. When I do photo reviews, I get criticized because sometimes I'm too easy or too whatever, so now it's your chance. Let me know what you think about all of the photos. Now, I know this is a very challenging subject. I know. I try to get my own photos of my feet, walking in the woods and doing all this stuff. Now, when I did the photos, it was January, so it was really cold. It's a lot colder than I expected. I don't recommend that, but I got a couple good ones that I think I could work with. But now, let's try to find a prize. What are you guys gonna win? There we go, that one fell out. The other 3 are here. So this is gonna be the prize for this month, and it is the LT38 61-inch tripod. It's a compact, lightweight, but stable travel tripod from carbon fiber. It only weighs 3.15 pounds with a maximum load capacity of 22 pounds. Dual compatibility QR system with the Arca QR type plate. Detachable low center of gravity ball head, which is awesome. I was able to get super low with this. I've always wanted a tripod that did that. Quick release height with the spring flip buckle. Super easy. You don't have to sit there and twist around. You just pop them open. They work great. The top 1/4-inch mounting screw on the quick release plate is for mini DV camcorders and DSLRs or mirrorless cameras. It also comes with 1/4-inch screw holes located on the side of the QR clamp, so you can add phone holders or microphones or LED fill lights. You literally could put attachments to your tripod. Again, there's so many things you can attach to this thing. It's not just a tripod, it's like a mobile studio kind of thing. But anyway, the winner is gonna be getting that tripod, the LT38 61-inch carbon fiber travel tripod. It's a huge thanks to Newer for bringing us all these prizes. Let's get into the competition a little bit more, and I'm gonna show you some of the example images. I gotta keep all this stuff with me because I gotta try to stay organized. But now, for this competition, remember, there's rules. Go to the website, wollertzphotography.com. There's gonna be a whole page here just with rules because I don't wanna get canceled. YouTube has nothing to do with this. And voting starts now and ends a week after the final upload. After that, I'll make another video announcing the winner and maybe doing a quick critique of all the images, the winners, the top rated images. Go Barefoot Day, that is the subject for this competition. I think it's gonna be interesting because it's not an easy subject. Trust me, I try to get pictures of me walking. It's really hard to do your own, so I recommend getting somebody else. Since I broke my 24-70, I tried with the wide angle and my feet just look and then I tried with the telephoto and now I really can't see what I'm doing from a distance. So just a tip here, a good range is between 35 and 70, I believe. Anything more or wide is just gonna distort things. So just keep that in mind when you're trying to get your photos. I had fun making them. It was different in the ice and cold, but it's my work. I don't know. Let me know what you think. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, hit that bell so you can get notified every time we have a new competition. See you guys next time. Bye.